Becker's ran an article saying that at least in their prospectus, there is a mention of healthcare. But what do you think, Matt?
Well, the first thought is I forgot to buy in on IPO day and take part in the run up. That was pretty incredible. But the other thing that came to mind was shortly after SpaceX went public, the announcement came out that they were officially acquiring Cursor, which is an amazing software platform, agentic coding that I really like. And they acquired it, I think, for $60 billion in stock. It was paid for with SpaceX stock. And so SpaceX, I think, initially got it at a pretty good deal because the stock price had gone up so much.
Mm-hmm.
And then there's something about now the stock price has cooled off a little bit, so I think that valuation got a little bit less crazy, but it is an amazing outcome for the company Cursor, and it's a great product. But just shows what SpaceX is going to be capable of now that they've got XAI folded into it and Cursor folded into it. It seems like their ambitions are pretty sprawling beyond just Starship going to Mars, but putting data centers in space also.
So it's really not a space company, right?
Space XAI coding, yeah, data centers, everything.
Yeah, and there is a talk of Tesla being rolled into SpaceX, or who knows, the other way around. I think it's going to be the first. But if those two companies merge, like, so then you have a whole bunch of,
Robotics,
yeah.
yeah.
Neil, do you have any comments on this?
Yeah, I mean, it's like a fascinating macro level thought experiment, right? I mean, just pure size of how much money or capital is there, or they call it market cap. SpaceX can basically buy or experiment with any industry, including healthcare. I mean, my initial thought wasn't to link SpaceX IPO to GI. It was more like Matt's thought, where like, why was I not smarter and realized I should get into this first? But I will say that, like, if we bridge the concept to GI, it's not that SpaceX necessarily buying us, but it's rather like deep tech, robotics, AI frameworks, things that we've talked about in this show. How are they going to rewrite the standard operating model or operating system of GI or medicine, right? It's like the whole ecosystem is going to change with these kind of players. And that was my more take home message.